Tension have escalated within Zimbabwe's political landscape as supporters of President Emmerson Mnangagwa, particularly the online movement Varakash for ED, rallied behind the Vision 2030 agenda while defending key figures within the government from criticism. Sanabina mashuka tonoti vakomana Varakashi votanga kudefenda vanhu misa the 2030 agenda. Don't subscribe or like on the bell. Timina pana pam Zimbabwe on Monday, the national chairman of Varakash for ED Godwin Nkata addressed the growing controversy surrounding the party's national legal affairs secretary Patrick Chinamasa. Nkata took to social media to urge Zimbabweans to engage in respectful dialogue rather than disrespectful attacks on political figures, emphasizing the importance of unity in achieving the country's long-term goals. I would like to address the recent discourse surrounding our National Legal Affairs Secretary, Comrade Patrick Chinamasa. Nkata said, while it is important to express differing viewpoints, I believe it is equally crucial to engage in constructive dialogue rather than resorting to disrespectful insults. Chinamasa, who has played a central role in Zimbabwe's politics for decades, has been at the center of the criticism. As a former finance minister, his leadership during difficult economic periods has been both praised and criticized. Nkata defended Chinamasa's track records, noticing that his contribution to Zimbabwe's political and economic landscape should not be undermined by personal attacks. As Zimbabwe inches closer to 2030, the future of the Vision 2030 initiative appears to hinge not only on economic strategies, but on the ability of leaders and citizens alike to engage in meaningful, respectful discussions for the betterment of the nation. Thomas Kwanobuda panapa atrikuona kuti panguva ino aiwa zvatirikuona kuti ma-events atirikuona kuti ari kulida to the 2030 panapa anyasikuona kuti the accumulating achionekwa kuti aiwa ane ropa mukati rufu zvese. Aiwa panguva ino vanhu vachizongomira vachizoona kuti aiwa rega tichingotarisa tingoona kuti zvichasvitsa kupi. Tiudze mafungiro aimo tikudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi pene comment section medu. So no subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.